Hello and welcome back to Epoch Cafe. Indian Air Force new Chief Vivek Ram Chaudhary would hardly have time to relax because he has many important tasks on the list. Ministry of Defence announced the decision of Government of India to appoint V.R. Chaudhary as the next Chief of Indian Air Force, replacing R.K.S. Bhadauria. V.R. Chaudhary is fortunate enough to serve as the Vice Chief of Indian Air Force before his appointment as Chief of Air Staff. He got plenty of time to understand the crux of Indian Air Force strengths and weaknesses at the same time. V.R. Chaudhary was also deputed as a commander of Western Air Command that looks after the security in the sensitive Ladakh sector. The time has changed and now V.R. Chaudhary will have to take crucial decisions to redefine Indian Air Force future, especially facing immense modernization challenges. Indian Air Force has closed various emergency procurement contracts in the past 2 years under the command of R.K.S. Bhadauria. In order to strengthen Indian defense capabilities, Rafale fighter aircrafts, Apache attack helicopters and Chinook transport helicopters were inducted into the Indian Air Force. Now let's talk about what are the biggest challenges V.R. Chaudhary has to face in the near future. One of the biggest challenges for V.R. Chaudhary as new Chief of Indian Air Force would be to resolve the depleting fighter aircraft squadron strength. Whereas Indian Air Force is desperately trying to sustain the sanctioned strength of 42 squadrons. To acquire more fighter aircraft will be the main focus of new Indian Air Chief. As V.R. Chaudhary was the Deputy Chief in charge of Rafale program for Indian Air Force, he is well aware of the bureaucratic hurdles on the way. The concern for Indian Air Force Chief is to increase the availability of the aircrafts, as many of them are handed over to the servicing and maintenance related issues. This is the right time for V.R. Chaudhary to push Indian government to decide on either to procure 114 Tejas Mk2 fighter jets or getting more Rafales for Indian Air Force. According to defense experts, Indian Air Force has been asked to re-examine its squadron strength due to Rafale fighter jets and upcoming induction of S-400 air defense system. But I believe this expert opinion is so ridiculous, and whatever be the reason, Indian Air Force must have 42 squadron strength in place to take on in case of two-front war with China and Pakistan. Second challenge for V.R. Chaudhary is to decide on theaterization. The Indian Air Force is standing at the edge of ambitious defense reform that the Indian military will see in the near future. There is no doubt that a unified procurement, unified planning and military operations under one command will be the only way out to deal with the current security challenges. But Indian Air Force has its own views on theaterization and their concerns are legit though. That is the reason why all eyes would be on the new Air Chief V.R. Chaudhary to see how he handles concerns related to the theaterization. Third biggest challenge for V.R. Chaudhary is to push Indian government to pump in more money for getting advanced drones, refuelers and bombers for Indian Air Force. If you like this video, hit on subscribe, and in case you have some extra points which I missed to mention here in this video, comment section is for you guys.